going to the SBS building because I have my third round of interviews there. I can't believe I made it this far. I wasn't really looking for a job, but I came across this posting and I thought it was really something that was suited for me and that I thought I could do well in because it's in the K-pop industry and I've always wanted to work in K-pop. So I applied and with my resume and cover letter, and I made it through the first round, and then I did the second round of interview, which was on like Google Hangouts with 3 people on video chat. So I passed that. It was my first interview in Korean, so I was super nervous, but I passed it somehow, and now I'm in the third round. Pray for me, you guys. Yeah, this is my first time interviewing in Korean. Like, all of this process is crazy for me because I really never thought that I would make it this far. So yeah, if I pass, then I will be working full-time at SBS for, you know, however, who knows how long. So wish me luck, you guys. If I pass, I'll tell you guys and I will show you guys around if I can, and if I don't, then whatever. So yeah. Look what I got from them. Apparently they made the xoxo album, so they gifted this to me. I just got home and okay, so let me tell you how the interview went. Basically, it was an hour and like 15 minutes long and there's 3 people in front, and sorry, I'm like brain dead right now. They asked me a bunch of questions, but we didn't really like talk about anything like related to me because we already did that in the past 2 rounds. So this time it was a lot more about like the work and the job, what it entails, and I took a test. The test was okay. Well, I didn't expect to take another test because I already took a test in round 2 and I passed it, but for some reason they tested me more, and this time it was in Korean, so it was tough. But yeah, I did it. I haven't written in Korean since middle school, so like my writing is basically not even readable. Also, my writing in general is so bad, even in English, like my handwriting. So yeah, that person is gonna have a hard time reading my stuff. And there was also like an English portion where I had to complete the test in English. And yeah, so that was the final round, and I am excited to find out if I make it or I don't make it. It's crazy because I didn't plan on recruiting yet, but it kind of felt like destiny because I found the job posting like literally out of nowhere, and I read the job description and it's related to K-pop and it's at SBS, so I was like, wow, you know, it's a pretty good job and it's something that I can be passionate about and thought that I could help out with. So I applied, and I really like Well, to be honest, I can't say I didn't expect to make it this far because I've already had like 5 internships in the past in college, and I had many like interview experiences, and I'm not bragging or anything, but it's just like a fact that I normally make it. Like if I do pass an interview, like I do make it to the job, and so I can't really say, oh, it was completely unexpected, like I have no skills and I made it. That's not true. I I had a lot of work experience in the past and experience interviewing, so yeah. But I was a bit nervous about this one because it was my first interview in complete Korean, and yeah, so I was kind of nervous about that, but I did make it this far, so. Okay, so they also gave me this, and it says Saksuri, and if you guys don't know, this was the Yihori, Rain, and Yoo Jae-suk collaboration for this show called 놀면 뭐하니, and it did really well this summer. It was like a huge hit, and apparently that team, like, they produced this album. So let's do a little unboxing. Yeah, so this variety show, 놀면 뭐하니, which is what Yoo Jae-suk is the MC of, he also did new production with Jessie, Hasa, Yihori, and all those, you know, the 4 girls. They did that 환정 원불 때 collaboration. It's the same show as that, but this is what they did before those girls. So it's basically made into like a radio, the packaging, because it was kind of like a throwback song to like 70s Korea. I think it was 70s, I don't really know. The old Korea pop songs. So you open it like this, and there's this. So there's this. Let's see. This is a sticker book with all these stickers, which I'll open later. This is the photo book of all the photos they took, and they made it into like, oh my gosh, I remember watching these episodes when they took these photos. Yihori is so hot. She's so old, but she's still so beautiful. And there's Yoo Jae-suk, the grasshopper. Yeah, so it's like very retro. And there's like these photos. There's so many, you guys, like. And then, what are these? There's photo cards as well. There's like Yori. And you just a photo card. Okay. And then there's this. Oh my gosh, they're like you can take it out stands with all the characters. Open this. There is the album. Ooh, this is so cool. They actually have a cassette tape. I have not seen a cassette tape in so long. This is actually crazy.
Wow. I have nothing to play this with, but I can't believe there's a cassette tape in here. Wow. Actual album. This CD is here. Doing an unboxing feels like my old K-pop days where I would do unboxing for my YouTube channel back then. All the songs in here. These stickers are actually really cute. There's a lot of them. They're so cute. Damn. This is adorable. That's it. A little short unboxing for you guys if you were interested in xoxo. I love album unboxings. Something about it, it's just so relaxing. And it's very cute. You can see all the effort that went into creating this like album, all their projects, and like all the people that were behind it. It's just everything from the packaging, just everything about it just takes up so much time and effort. It's like, of course, from the celebrities, but also from people behind the scenes that work there, like the team that I just interviewed with. And yeah, that's that. Also, I'm still in my outfit, so I'm gonna go get changed and be more comfy and come back to you guys in a more Kate-like normal way. See you guys later. Oh my god, you guys, I was literally just about to go out to walk my dog, and guess what? I got a call and I got the job! So now I will be in the marketing department for K-pop into US, and yeah, I'm so excited and nervous to start work at the same time, but I hope you guys follow me on this journey. And I probably won't be able to vlog as much as before, but I'll try my best because I'll be working full-time from 9 to 6 or 10 to 7 p.m. And yeah, that's gonna be tough. So I'll only have free time on the weekends. So I don't know how often I can be filming, but I will really try my best to still upload weekly like I have been doing this year. Yeah. Ask me any questions down below. I'll try my best to answer all of them. And I start work next week. Wow. See you guys later. Bye.